Hello friends, today we are going to see two public sector banks that have been breakthrough from the multi-year pattern. The stocks have been in below the supply zone for almost 14 years. Now the stock have been breached the support zone after the 14 years. If you see, the stock name is IOB and Central Bank. Both are PSU banks and have been trading near the book value. If you can clearly see, the stock went all-time high of 200 and 200 respectively. So if you can clearly see, both the chart pattern looks similar. That is because both the stocks have the correlation factor, and both the stock have been performing well in the past, but due to certain circumstances it couldn't able to perform well due to the loan book. The stock breached the supply zone here and went to all-time low of around 10 below 10 rupees like that. What happened now after the merger and everything happened? The stock have been performing well and made a U-turn pattern, and after 14 years of supply zone it break out in the recent September, and it took a retest in the November and it is going high. So what we have to do, one can buy the stock for the target of minimum 40% and maximum of 90%. So this is the chance guys, one can buy both the stocks, and the best part is both the stock having a promoter holding of more than 90%. And when compared to the central bank, we can see the fundamentals. The stock is trading near the book value 33 rupees, which is good. And if you can see the stock PE ratio, it's 20.3, which is also good. And you can clearly see the market cap of the bank is 44,000 bank, which is a large cap bank. That is also a good sign. And you can see the profit and loss statement. The stock have been in the loss for the previous 5 years, but now the stock took a turnaround and it is making profit for the last 2 years, and the company is turning profitable. And if you can clearly see, the 5-year compounded profit growth also 18%. So one can buy this stock for a medium term of 40% and a maximum of 90% returns. So thank you guys.